Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Patamon from Digimon. Now, Digimon kind of came out when Pokemon did, but it never quite took off as popular as Pokemon, but they still have some really cool characters in there. So to draw Patamon, we want to start with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down just like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of bumps out, and then it's just going to kind of curve in. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around, and it's going to go right down to there. And then starting up here, I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and then I'm just going to kind of draw a line that kind of curves out, and it's just going to come and connect right to there. Now, Patamon has some really big ears. So I'm going to just take this line and kind of draw it out a little longer. Then I'm going to curve this line up. And then I'm just going to bring this down, and it's going to kind of line up all the way with the bottom of the body. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this up and down. Then I'm going to go back up and down, and then back up like this. It's almost kind of like a wing. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve up. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up and down, and then one right here that goes up and down. Then right up here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up, and then it's going to come down. You want it pointier at the top and a little bit wider at the bottom, and this is going to be where the other ear is, but that's all we see because it's hidden behind the body. Now for the feet of Patamon, I'm going to just add a little curved line here for the toe, a little one here, and then one more right there. Then same thing here, a little bump here, one here, and then one right there. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves down and comes back for the arm. And then one right here that just kind of goes down and comes back up. And then I'm going to put three kind of little bumps on here for the little toes. I'm going to kind of curve this up and kind of curve these up just a little more. Now we're going to give them kind of like a little bit of a surprised look. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. And then I'm going to kind of curve it around here. And then add a little curved line in there for the tongue. Now I want to make the eyes up here. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to kind of curve up and down. And another one that's just going to kind of go down and up for the first eye. I'm going to add a little bit of an extra darker black line around the top and the bottom here. And I'm going to add a little bump right around there. Then I'm going to add a circle here and then a circle here. And then I'm just going to kind of color in most of this. I'm going to make the circle just a little bit smaller. And then I want to leave just a little bit of this white so I can color that in later. Then starting here, I'm going to add the other eye. So I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down. Then a little line that goes down and up right here. I'm just going to add that same shape inside of here. A little circle here, a little circle here. And then another circle right inside of here that I'm going to color in. And then I'm just going to kind of color in right around here just to make this a little darker. And there you go. There is your drawing of Patamon from Digimon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.